Hey guys, it's How to Code here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to code a website into your Thunkable X app. It's very simple, won't take me long. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to User Interface and go to Web Viewer, right there, and drag that onto the screen. Then you want to grab another button and put that right below it. Now this button is just going to be the home button. Very simple, just call it whatever the name of the page is, dash, and then home. And then the text should just say home, and that's it. Now the website is even simpler. All you have to do, you can name this whatever you want. I just left it with the default name. And then the URL, you just put in the URL of whatever site you want it to display. And that's it. Alright, now we go to the blocks. And you want to go to the home button blocks and drag the win website dash home click do onto the screen. Then go to control and get the navigate to, drag that on the screen, put it right in here, go to here and go to home. And that's it. That's your website app. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, as it tells me that you guys like seeing what I do. And come back weekly for new content. I'll see you next time. Bye.